What's up, YouTube? It's your boy. It's going down. I tried out the design on the gray t-shirt. Let me know what y'all think. If y'all like it on the gray, I'll start doing them on gray and white. A lot of darker colors that don't really show up that well, but I think the gray turned out awesome. So we got a box. Let's get into it.
Be looking good. I be gripping brain, nigga. I be gripping wood. Okay. Hey. My Chevy. I'm gripping in my Chevy. Okay. I'm flossing in my Chevy. I'm riding in my Chevy.
It's your boy Shoutout 254, man. Tune in for another one. As you can see, we out here in the garage, aka the Man K 2.0. You know what I'm saying? Got a box from my brother Goldie Box. Know what I'm send it to your boy. Yeah, man, let's get this thing open up, man. See what we got. And then I'll tell y'all the story behind this and how this came to be. I don't never know where stuff is at. It ain't no surprise, it ain't no secret, man. My brother from another mother, man. Let me tell you something about JP, man, aka Goldie Boss, man. He been a real one, bro, since day one. You know what I'm saying? Before I even knew him, you know what I'm saying? Like real Trump tight. You know what I'm saying? He just kept it a buck. You know what I'm saying? He kept it a buck, man. He know what it is, bro. He know how we first, linked up, got close and shit. So what's understood ain't gotta be explained. You heard me? It's going down in Ace time. Going down in Texas. So shout out to my boy. So what we got here, man, is let me show you. A lot of packaging. I might can reuse that shit and repack some shit up. Actually, let me put it over here on the hood of the for you. Hold on. Alright, so this is what happened, man. My boy, we were talking, you know what I'm saying? And he said something about a third brake light. Oh, third brake light? What you talking about? Well, come to find out, it's a mod that a lot of people been doing. I personally been sleep on it because I wasn't aware of it. I'm not always trend chasing, or I haven't been keeping up to date on everything that's been boxed as far as cosmetics and everything. Cause I've been focusing on getting it running. You know what I'm saying? No use in having a third brake light or anything else cosmetic if your shit don't go and stop. You heard me? So, what I did, we was chopping it up. He was telling me about the third brake light, sent me a picture. I was like, oh shit, that'd be hot for the Chevy. And so since I'm done with since I'm pretty much done with the motor, got it running and everything, so, we ready to proceed to the next step. So, we've been doing the cosmetics and such. As you can see, you know what I'm saying, we got a new windshield in there, got our trim around there. Of course, we'll have to go back and, whatever, when we get ready to do the roof or not do the roof. I don't know what we're going to do. But we might put a roof in there. But yeah, man. So yeah, man, this third brake light comes off of Aurora. I believe it's, cause of course I had to go do my research after we talked. So it was like a 90 or 2001 or 2000, some Auroras. So I don't know. I forgot the years off the top of my head, but it was like a something to something. Cause it really wasn't that many years of them, and I think that's why kind of they rare like they is. So let me just turn around and show you what we're working with, man, and then show you how it's gonna be placed in the car, etc., etc. So let's go. What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Shoutout 254. You tune in for another one. Yes, you see the shirt, see the shirt. Shoutout 254. Identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. This is Dare Inspired. You can get this shirt along with so many others right here in the store. Link is in the description box below. I'll put it right here at the bottom of the screen. And I'll even show you right here. As you go onto the website, you can see all the different shirts that we offer. Let me scoot over and make some room. So as you can see right here, everything that we have to offer, new designs are going to be uploaded. I don't want to lie to you. I don't want to say weekly. You know what I'm saying? I try to go weekly. Could be bi-weekly, man. I'm really gonna get more on this so that I can get these shirts sold, man, and get the revenue rolling in so we can build a Chevy. It's lit. So definitely thank you guys for your support, man. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe on the channel, watch the videos, watch the commercials or the advertisements, you know, YouTube put out there. That helps greatly. And these are just some of the ways that you can support. You know what I'm saying? Of course, you know, I'm out there hustling and grinding, doing what I gotta do as well. But know what I'm saying, this is just an additional way that we can get more money into the channel so that we can get these bills on the road, man, and make them a little bit more epic, so to speak. So I appreciate all your support, guys. It's your boy Shoutout 254. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. Life is all about choices. Choose wisely and productivity over procrastination. Gone. So here you can see third brake light, Aurora light, bro. This bitch is big, bro. Like I really wasn't tracking. Well, not only was I not tracking the light, but when he told me and showed me a picture of it, it really didn't register like how big this motherfucker is, right? So as you can see, the LEDs are labeled. So it's like 1, 2, so it's 48 LED lights across the back. I don't believe that might be a part number right there. Don't get me the line. They might not make it no more, but you might find some new old stock. I just found out what that meant a couple weeks ago. New old stock. But yeah, man, as you can see, it's wrapped all the way around. I was watching 78 Chevy Boy video. Y'all go check out his channel. Y'all probably found his channel or found me because of 78 Chevy Boy or Team Schaefer, Steve Davis, or Cat Local Garage, so one of these brothers, you know what I'm saying? You probably found me because one of them, man. So shout out to them guys, man. They've been doing this for a minute. Especially 78 Chevy Boy, man. Like you said, he box Chevy OG. So yeah, man, it looked real simple, but I was watching 78 Chevy Boy install video, man. Real helpful. He was showing how you cut it down so that this shit is flush with the back window. Now for my car, I was looking, and as you can see, it didn't come with a third brake light, right? No third brake light. So I mean, it's nothing to a boss. When I say boss, yes, I'm talking about me. It's nothing to a boss. You know what I'm saying? Well, what I'll do is I'll run some. I'll splice into the brake lights back here. You know what I'm saying? Make sure I got the good signal, and then I'll hook them two wires. There's only two wires. You know what I'm saying? Real simple setup. The plug is right there. It's a black and white wire. You know, very easy to figure out. especially if you already know your schematics and shit. But yeah, just place them 2 wires into the brake lights and go from there. Like I said, because mine didn't have it, that's what we're gonna have to do. But yeah, like I really was not aware how big this motherfucker is. Let me give y'all a look. You know what I'm saying? Like imagine, like bruh, like however many more inches. You know what I'm saying? That's probably what a good 6 inches on each side, bro. Bro, that's crazy. It's crazy. Like I said, I seen the pictures, but you know, until you see some shit in real life, it's like, oh shit. You know what I'm saying? So that's lit. So shout out to my brother JP, man. You a real one for this. So you already know what it is. You already know what it is. So that's it for this one, man. It really ain't nothing to really drag on about. Like I said, third brake light for the 2-door, man. Getting it together. I guess I'll get y'all a sneak preview of what we finna do next. As y'all know, or as y'all seen the last video, you know what I'm saying, we got the windshield done, but now, you see that fucking dashboard behind that bitch? The dashboard make the motherfucker look ugly. Like with the windshield crack, you couldn't even tell, really, you know what I'm saying? But now you can really be like, look, that motherfucker ugly. So, you know what's coming next. Or you might not know what's coming next. But, like I've been having shit stashed for a minute. So I just gotta go back here to my stash spot. And as you can see, I got a new dash pad right there. Ready to rock, so probably go ahead and get ready to pull that out. Pull the old one out. And then put that other one in. I'm not gonna get rid of the old one, cause I've been watching Sprayway. Yeah, I'm not gonna get rid of my old one cause I've been watching Sprayway. So I'm a fool with it. Like sand it down, fill it in, paint that, bruh. Like I'm telling you, yeah. So, yeah, that's in a future video, man. I just want to get y'all a sneak 'em peek'ems. Yeah, and then of course we'll work our way down into the dash, get the radio in there, and everything like that. So, I'm not talking about the windshield wipers no more. Like I said, until they fixed. And probably by the time they get fixed, we'll been and already went and got the tags and be ready to roll by then. So it's your boy Shoutout. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. Life is all about choice to choose wisely and productivity over procrastination. Gone.
Perfect.